There is a saying that says, fake it until you make it. You see, this background you're seeing here is not my real background. Now, let me show you my real background. Yes, that was my real background. Was his actually my real background. Now, let me show you how I made this background to become what you're seeing now. Let's go, guys. But before then, please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to like you to comment, and I want you to really like this video. You know why I want you to do so? It will help the algorithm to actually push this video forward to help others. And in this channel, we are going to be learning a lot of things. Number one, how to edit. Number two, how to make money. See, we need to make money by all means, okay? Not really by all means, legitimately. And this channel will actually be bringing a lot of tools and programs to us that will make us to earn good money for ourselves, okay? And also, this is a learning and motivational channel. So please kindly subscribe to this channel, comment I am interested to make money, and also learn how to edit, and also like this video that you are seeing. And you're not going to be doing this for fun. You know why? I For everybody that interact with this video, I'm actually going to be coming to your own channel too, or your page, to subscribe to your page. And also, I will be commenting. Not only that, once you share this video you're watching right now, I'm going to also share two of your videos, and this will actually help us to grow and also help this channel to get monetized in no time. Thank you for watching. Now let's go to the main teaching.
Guys, click on your TikTok app, click on the search bar, that arrow you are seeing up there, then click on background living room effects. Type it, rather type background living room effects and click on search. Then it will bring you to different effects. Okay, it will bring you to different effects. So just click on any of this background. Now I click on this background and I long press it. You know why I didn't actually use that? It doesn't have download features, so I used another one, and which is this one. I long press the download button. Sure, you can see the download there. Now on this download, you download image. When you get there, download image. Then from download image, automatically it has downloaded. Now you're going to be going back to your TikTok home page. Click on this plus button, then go to, if you want to upload that box there, upload the video you want, not this one. Now we are going to be clicking on the video we want to use. Click on next. Now you click on the box, edit box, where this arrow is pointing at. Click on that arrow, then you click on the video. Now click on the video and come to look for cutouts. Then you click on auto cutout. And then after clicking on auto cutout, wait until the finish. When you see complete cutout, then you now click on this mark button you are seeing here. You click on the mark button. It's still loading. Let's calm down. Okay, now here we have our cutout complete done. Then we mark. Then we now go to, just swipe back a little bit, you see background. Click on background. Then now click on the background. That background we downloaded. Click on it and just try and place the video properly on the background, like an overlay. So this video now will stand as an overlay, like will look like an overlay on the background. So just try and place the video properly. You use your finger to place the video, your two-tip finger to place the video properly. Place it the way you want. So just enlarge it, make sure it stands well, it stands straight and properly on the overlay. And here we have our video. Then you just click on next. Here we have our video. Guys, that is just very easy. Then we have a very lovely background. Then you click on next, type your